Hi, I am Chauhan and I am an alumni of HK Computer Academy. Today I want to share my experience of learning at this wonderful academy. Well, after graduating in business management studies from Toronto, Canada, I was trying to get some specialized training in the field of accounting but couldn't find the right institute. When I decided to learn QuickBooks, I researched a little bit and came across HK Computer Academy. Well, I then talked with Mr. Kashyap and pretty much, I was convinced that I can really grow as a professional if I get a chance to learn from this institute. I started my lectures with Mohmedkhayyam ma'am and I was really amazed because the sessions were one-on-one and I was able to get personalized tutoring. Then whatever doubts I had, I used to ask her right away and get solutions. And this is the way I could really finish this whole course successfully. And I would recommend everyone to just research about this institute. And I'm sure if you study from this institute, you will definitely be able to grow as a professional and can advance in your career. Thank you very much.